$3 for that one.
If you want it, you should ask her. She'll take 2. Probably sell it.
No, I have it. I have $1.
Banana, only 2. Got like a little mail thing. That's cool. For attendance? I don't know. Morning. Pretty good. How about you?
And then at lunch I had a handful of pistachios. And then
Who left the corner?
I found out that
It's a nickel.
it's a nickel. You can have it.
Thank you.
Ooh, free money. She'll take that all day.
You know how many people have walked past that nickel and not even said?
She won't miss a nickel. Callie, here.
I need that so badly. Dad,
What?
more Easter
See if they'll take a nickel for it. Hot seat.
We should have a water fountain.
That's cool.
Daddy,
Harder than a coach's job during bad season. Yeah.
that water fountain.
Oh yeah, make a little water fountain. Nice. How much are the hot seats?
I'll do both of them for $5.
I'll do that.
How about this baby over here?
A nutcracker? Do you need a nutcracker?
No.
I imagine that.
How much is this
$3 each.
nutcracker?
Yeah.
He can be $2.
5 back.
You want to get the nutcracker
No,
too?
not
Okay.
Let me
Callie, you don't need a nutcracker.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
I'm not buying you a nutcracker.
No.
You didn't bring money. That's your problem.
I'm gonna have to count out
Daddy.
some ones.
That's fine.
Daddy, I'm going to sell this nutcracker.
She's gonna
We're not
upsell
getting
me.
you.
Okay,
We're
I
not.
see.
We're not gonna buy a nutcracker.
She's got a good business strategy.
I
there.
guess so.
Why
Yeah.
can I not get a nutcracker?
Because I said so.
Oh, man.
It's huge.
And
Where are you gonna
can't
put that
sell a
thing?
nutcracker.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Why would you sell it?
There's a golf practice net.
I'll tell you the first.
A little smoker.
Oh, yeah.
Smart cycle.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Can this actually go?
You don't know what it is, Kelly.
I don't know what this is. What's that?
What is it?
What's the clothes in here?
Yeah, they're like shoes. Whiplash rocket.
Exercise inside. Sitting
You
down.
plug it to the TV, you plug it into the TV, and you ride down the road and you run over.
That's pretty cool.
My kid's 16. I bought that when she was 3.
Yeah,
It's been a-
that's
I know
funny.
my sister was like,
You should get a good workout.
Well, tell me if you want something. This is going out of here. We've sold most everything. This is
Yeah.
about what's left.
The remnants, huh?
Yep. Some of it's going back upstairs, and the majority of the rest of it.
I want
stays
to
to
try
itself.
this.
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
Take it.
No. How much?
You can have it.
No. I just wanted to try.
You can have it.
She knows her mom doesn't want big stuff.
Oh.
No big stuff. Callie, we don't need big stuff. We already have too much big stuff.
I'm just texting.
That's what people have bought, and I'm glad.
Oh, the big stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Get rid of it.
Yeah, vanities and things like that.
What is this?
But how much is that? I'm just
So-
checking.
Top block.
Okay. How much is that?
$1. I just sold the big butcher block
Oh, did you?
that was
Take that for
here.
a look.
Yeah. I just don't want to deal with it.
I feel
We're
you.
cleaning it out for a reason.
Daddy.
Get it going.
I tell people that all the time.
Hey.
Make an offer.
Daddy.
Yeah. Yes, dear.
Dad, that's 10 or 6.
10 or 6, huh? Hmm.
And I need that flour.
D&D starter set.
Yeah.
Would you do 3 on this? There you go.
All right.
Thank you. Find anything? You want to go to the next one? Nothing great? Do you want a sofa or a love seat?
Scooter.
Muppet Keeper. That's cool.
All of that on the plastic is free.
Oh, nice.
Free.
I'll take it. Getting a board game collection this morning.
Cool.
Sold you one more. Did you have one more?
She may have. No,
Hmm.
Yeah, thank you for it.
What do you think, Annabelle? Nothing for you? Alright, let's go to the next one. I got a TV. Number ones? For sure. Can't say no to that.
With a speaker.
Mm. What?
It's like a saxophone. You can do different sounds and stuff with it.
Huh.
You can blow
Interesting.
into it and then it makes different.
Huh. Well, it'll get me to $1,
Yeah,
so
there
it's
you go.
perfect.
Easy enough, right?
Here you go, Pasture Pals.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can-
Wait, give me a second.
I'm sorry.
you have the better for me. Hold on. Gotta be in there.
You buying markers?
So many Sharpies.
Nice. How much are they?
But we need Sharpies. We don't have Sharpies.
Alright. There you go.
Y'all guys said $2 for chair and the boat. She added this and this little box.
Okay, that's fine. You can have it. Yeah, that's gonna be a
My little friend.
Ana Tacaravia.
How much is My Little Pony?
Eso, Alma. Serious.
$4.
Quattro. How much are the
$4.
Sharpies?
For the markers, Anna, we said 5 for both. Yeah, 5 for both. Yeah.
5 for both. She's looking weird because you said her name.
What did I say her name?
Anna.
Anna.
I know.
Sorry.
She's like, how did you know my name?
$100. You want all of them? Give me $4 for all of them.
$10.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's up to you.
Make him pay.
The Briar horse.
Make him pay. Yep.
How much for the horse?
$1.
$1.
Give me $3 for that one.
If you want it? You should ask her. She'll take 2. Probably sell it.
No, I have it. I have $20.
But Anna, only 2.
If you guys come back, if you're not leaving, obviously, and come back in like an hour.
Oh, that's cool. Little recorder thing.
Slowly. Okay.
It was over here, Yanni.
Yes, I will. Just for you. I'm sorry, Anna. Oh, hola, por todo. I know.
She took 2.
She paid me already.
Cool. Okay. Well, I'm paying for this horsey.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Let's
you.
see. What else do we got? How much for the printer with all the ink?
The printer with all the ink, Yanni. Pozo.
He's got like knives in his hands.
$5, $5, $5.
$5?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
one
I'll
with the machetes. Yeah.
do- $5 for the whole
$5?
lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
See if I have a 5.
I don't know where. I have change.
I got a 5.
Perfect. Thank you.
Make your life easier.
Thank you so much.
Alright. This one I bought with all the ink.
Okay.
And the horse.
This is the cable.
Oh, that's the cable for it? Okay.
Yep.
You know, I'm just gonna stack it here and see if I want to grab anything else. Let's see. Anything else we want?
Julissa, hola Caravia.
It's right here.
Okay, what else, Anna? Anything? Got a Lala Loopsy. Let me look in this bin here. You could offer her less for the markers. She seems negotiable. Pinky!
Nah. I don't know if I have one bag thing. Because
Rawr. What's her name? Bebop?
now she's crazy.
I like her. Okay, there's some cool stuff in here. I gotta dig. I'm into it.
De $14.
Let's see. Oh, we got a giant Dora.
Water bottle.
There's good stuff here. Just gotta dig for it. CDs. Banner. I've heard $2 for one of the things in markers. If you want them. She might take that. Ooh, Mario. That's cool. Oh, neat. Is this him? Mario Kart.
But it's used.
Yeah. How much for this stuff?
Another $1.
$1. Got it.
Oh my God, that was yours. It's gone now. It belongs to Anna now.
Bebop, you can't go wrong. Photo album. I hear some cars going off in here or something. What are these? Oh, Playmobil? Let me look. She's really desperate for one of your boxes of markers. What's the lowest you'd go on them?
Where are they?
Back over there.
Take it, yeah. For $1.
$1?
$1.
And she said $1 for one of the things of markers. Oh, nice. Your dream came true. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, yeah, actually, that would be good. Here, put Bebop and this is Pinky, right?
Yeah.
Pinky.
Pinky in the Brain. It's before your time.
Before your time. Way before your time.
That one's for my nostalgia. Cool. Thank you.
There you go.
Hey guys, thanks for hitting those yard sales with me. Couple good ones there. Let's see, the first one I think was the one where I got these little hot seats. They weren't that great. You know, they're $5 for two, so $2.50 a piece. Looks like they sell between 15 and 20 on eBay, so I'll get a little money for them. Definitely make some profit. Next sale, that was late in the day though. That was like noon, maybe 11:30. Next sale I went to was also late in the day, and they were out of like everything, but I got this big cutting board. I just thought it was kind of nice how big it was. Ponderosa panels. I think that's like a Home Depot house brand or something, so I don't think it's worth more than 20 bucks, but I paid $1, and I might just keep it and use it because I do kind of have a collection of cutting boards. I do love cutting boards, so I might just keep that, or I'll sell it for 20 bucks. We'll see. Be hard to ship though. Then I hit one of the busiest community sales I've been to in a while, and I don't love community sales because everyone sees a community sale as an excuse to put out 3 items in their front driveway. And so you have like 80 houses and all of them are selling 3 things. So I don't love community sales, but that was really mostly what was available this weekend. So at the first one we went to, I got this D&D starter set. I talked them down to $3 because it's only worth like 15. So, you know, I'll make a little money on it. Next one was a big score. I walk up and instantly see the Great Muppet Caper, which I know is a BOLO. This is a hard to find game, so I was pumped, and I go to buy it, and she's like, oh yeah, that whole tarp is free. So it's just free. And that one, I mean, you can comp it if you want. It sells for around 45 to 50 bucks last I checked. I should check the comps now and make sure everything's in there, but it looked really clean when I opened it up. So I feel pretty good about it. So yeah, definitely look out for that one. That was awesome. And if you want to see what it actually sells for, make sure you subscribe to the NC Flipper channel. That's my channel where I actually sell the things on eBay. What is happening over here? My cat. What are you doing? Oh, did you fall? Something fell on you? My death pile has grown immensely. This all needs to be listed. Everything that you see that's not in a bin needs to be listed. So I'm a little overwhelmed, but we'll deal with that on the NC Flipper channel. All right, then I went to a sale where my daughter bought like a My Little Pony thing because she's trying to make some money. I think she's talking down to $2 on that. I got this printer for $5 with all the ink. So I don't know if the printer's worth anything. I haven't looked it up, but I figured the ink is worth at least $5. Well, it's kind of like off-brand, so maybe not. I haven't looked it up. Maybe it's good. We'll see. She's out of control. And in the last sale, I also found Baby Bop, who I kept calling Bebop, which maybe Bebop was from Ninja Turtles. I don't remember. Yeah, Bebop and Rocksteady. That's probably who I was thinking of. But yeah, that's Bebop. And then I got Pinky, who needs a bath, but they're both still pretty good. It looks like Baby Bop sells for around $15 on eBay, and Pinky sells for around $20. So I got to give him a bath and then sell him for $20. This I grabbed just because I thought it was cool. I don't know if it's worth any money. I'll have to look it up. A little RC Mario Kart. But yeah, for these 3 items, I was charged $1. So I can't really go wrong at that price, even if I throw out the Mario Kart because it doesn't work or something. I think that's pretty much everything I got at those sales. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.